How to create your account on DJI Mimo app. So first of all, after you have installed DJI Mimo application on your mobile devices, simply tap and launch the app. Now once you are here on the home screen, just go ahead and tap on Profile. Now on top, you'll see the option of Login. Go ahead and tap on it. From here at the top right, go ahead and select Register. Now once you come here, start by entering your email address. Here we go. Now you would have to enter the code that is shown in this picture. Once you do so, create a strong password for your account. Then re-enter your password again. After this, make sure that you make a selection on the circle that is, I have read and agreed to DJI's terms of use and privacy policy after you go through it in detail. Then simply tap on the option of Register. And with that, you will successfully be able to register to DJI Mimo application. All you would have to do is enter in your credentials in order to log in to your DJI Mimo account. Now let's enter our password. Now simply just tap on the option of Login at the bottom. Now simply tap on Agree and Login. And with that, you will successfully be able to create your account on DJI Mimo app and easily log into it as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.